Welcome everyone to NASDAQ, SPX, and Dow Jones. We're gonna see what happened within this daily close. Of course, a massive move from the US indices here. Basically, we are expecting this. Actually, our target perfectly hit here, and we're looking for a little bit of rebound there. But we're gonna see if this is gonna continue. What is the highest probability? Are we going to the next level, which is the red zone area here, for a larger wave to 0.38 Fibonacci, which is the minimum requirement? Now, I would like to mention that, of course, we were bearish here, and we didn't yet get a full signal for a reversal. But I would like to mention that, guys, I don't see a very strong trend, of course, as bearish yet. No panic. That means, of course, it's a normal correction that it is unfolding here, and it might still be a wave four, guys. Meaning wave four. I'm talking here. Here we go. Yep. So this is my wave four that I'm talking about here. What if we are in a diagonal? Yeah, diagonal wave one, two, three, four, and a five. So this can be a case scenario here that it might be still unfolding a wave five at the end, right? After, of course, hitting this green zone. Despite that, it's not a very strong move here. I mean, 26K, it's still acceptable as a correction. But we still need to test, of course, this area first, yeah, because it still can be a wave two for this one as an extension. One, two, three, four, five. In both case scenario, the question mark: Are we gonna get to the 26K to 143? Is it a one, two, three, four, and a five, or is it a simple one, two here and then three, four, and a five? Now, currently, this 0.38 was, of course, a testing for a wave four internally, one, two, three, four, and a five. But I doubt this so much, guys. I mean, look at the time here. It doesn't alternate at all, right? So I'm pushing already. I put this scenario away. Therefore, I'm still looking here for a potential extended wave five, or a potential wave five here as wave three there, meaning a one, two, three, four, and a five to finish the zone one. So by all means, I don't see that large bear market yet. I'm still looking here at something accumulating, of course, for bearish, but not very, very strong, unless, of course, something else will happen where we break this zone area and we break the 24K, sorry, 26K 400. So those two level, of course, then if we break them, then okay, we are in a very, very deep bear market. It can be, of course, something as a panic and so on. But currently, I'm not looking for something very, very strong. I mean, with this, like the moves are not that so much into a panic mode. Yeah. Currently, we see some retracement here after this target has been hit, but I'm still not yet very bullish, of course, or in a reversal mode. It still can be kind of like something as a 1-2. Of course, it can be, but it still can be also a an ABC there. Especially when you take a look here, if this is your wave one, two, three, wave four, one candle against three candles in the wave two, it doesn't alternate so much. But also, if this is your correction here for wave four, now it is the time to continue the drop toward the downside, right? Unless, of course, we gonna see a continuation toward the upside here, impulsively, one, two, three, and then like a range here for a wave four, then okay, we turn into something as a reversal. But don't forget also that you still have a wave four here and a wave five as diagonal. And so this is also our probability where we have an A, B, and a C here. The wave C is a one, two, three, four, five, in a large W, X, and a wave Y. Sorry, this is your wave A, all of it, three waves: wave A, B, and a C, and a wave Y, guys. So yeah, that means still complex structure, not very, very into panic mode. It still can be another wave four and a five. I know it's not the perfect condition for trading because it's a lot of up and downs. You don't have a stable direction, but yeah, we have to be safe, trading safe with it. So we have to always calculate all the probabilities and scenarios there. Currently, since we hit our target and we start to see a reaction from there, we're gonna push this 55 to 45%. Once we get an impulse, perfect impulse over there, five ways down, three ways, sorry, five ways up, three down, and we take the high here, then we are shifting to something bullish again, which is around the 60% for bullish against 40% for the bearish, guys. This is how we're gonna, yeah, continue within the trend here and the calculation for the probabilities. All right, so basically, we'll see if the 27K 434 is still there, and if we are corrective here for an F5, that is a very likely possible scenario. For the US 500, we are also in a bearish mode today. We didn't took the low, but 886, meaning of course very likely still to take it. But yeah, we still actually, because we didn't took it yet, we still, I would say, in a 50-50 here. I cannot really say that we are totally bearish or totally bullish. Yeah, it's very, very critical. That because, of course, you still can be here in a diagonal after wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. That is your bullish scenario. You didn't took the low yet, and even it still can be a wave 4 for a diagonal, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. Yeah, this is still looking like a diagonal, guys. Also, as for bearish, well, a 1, 2, 3, where is it, right? So if you have another 1, 2, 3, then okay, give us the low, right? And give us a strong trend toward the downside. But this is not the case. So therefore, precaution is required. A 15-minute chart as well. We are looking here, yeah, at something as an impulse. Still corrective, I would say, much more clearer than NASDAQ. Still corrective, like A, B, and yeah, wave C is gonna be massive, all right? Like it's an expanding flat here. That means wave C is gonna take the high again, A, B, and a C. But I'm pretty sure that we are looking for lower sooner or later here. Yeah, so but expect somehow like that, a wave C, and then pushing again in a wave 5. All right, where we might take the low. Anyway, it's an 886, so it has to be taken. In that case, if this happens, well, I can say, okay, it's a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Can we turn into something more bearish? Probably, but we're gonna see this after three waves corrective, wave 2, and then pushing down again. By all means, guys, we still, of course, in uncertainty here, and we might still see some up and downs during this move. So we gotta be careful. It's not yet clear, totally clear for the US 500 as well. Um, Now, the atmosphere is much more tending to be bearish, but it's not that much bearish. We're still at 50-50 here. We're not so much bearish. We're gonna give it a 5% because we're still looking for wave 5 potentially, but yeah, it's not still, yeah, that strong bearish. So we gotta be careful with it. For Dow Jones is a totally different story, and I'm still insisting on that story, guys. Um, I know that it is an index, the same as Nasdaq and S&P, but it's a totally different story here because we took pre-confirmation and the confirmation for higher. I'm still convinced that this wave 5 longer than wave 3. Wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, which is not allowed in any condition for Elliott Wave. And that means you're still looking here at double 1, 2. And this is wave 2 ABC, hit perfectly, by the way, as pattern structure and as fib level and as signal given. So I'm looking for something very bullish again. And as this momentum building up here as an expanding diagonal, I know very rare, but it happened. And basically, we are looking for a wave 2 potentially, and then pushing toward the upside again for Dow Jones. I'm still looking for higher, and Dow Jones might, of course, push very massively toward the upside here in a large wave 5, meaning, of course, we might thrive towards the 55K potentially here for Dow Jones. We'll see how this is going to happen, but basically, this is a signal of strength again, especially that you have five ways up. That was it for the US stock, and this is for the daily close, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.